So we've had a bit of a turbulent time with our trying to get on TV, and that's what's kind of spurred the web series thing. So before 2020, we'd signed with a production partner. We'd signed an exclusivity agreement, and they were very, very hopeful that they could get us a TV deal. Lockdown hit.
Corona hits, yeah. It's slowed everything down, hasn't it? Really, it's not been good. Obviously, not good for everybody out there, but the TV thing's really slowed down, I think, hasn't it? There's lots of people out of work as well, which is really unfortunate.
The broadcasters are not committing to things and this, that, and the other. But anyway, we've been back onto our production partner that we'd signed with, and we've done a new sizzle. That's TV speak. That. From Series 1, and so they're very, very keen that they can reinvigorate a broadcaster. We can't say too much about it. Obviously, can't say any specific deals or anything like that, and we're just hoping that in the next coming weeks we're going to be able to get signed and get this show on the road, as they say.
Watch this Rusty Riches space.
Yeah,